Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger Minute. Just a little update here about the things that happened here at the high school last week and what is to come up this week. We did have an exciting week last week as it was homecoming week. We had our homecoming festivities Friday night before the football game, and I'd like to congratulate our winners of that. I know Braxton Carmen was our king, and Janae Leslie was our queen, and also congratulations to Sydney Tucker was our princess, and Jonathan Walker was our prince. We did have an exciting week last week. I'd like to thank all the students that dressed up and took part in the themes each day. That's great for school spirit and school pride, and really appreciate everybody that did dress up and participate last week. Also, congratulations to our Fighting Tiger football team on an outstanding win against Webster County during our home game. That moves our Fighting Tigers to 2-1 on the season, and I'm very proud of them. Just made for a great night here at the high school, and also capped off a great week here at the high school. So we've got a lot of things going on this week here. We will be moving on. Our midterm was Friday, so that marks the midpoint of the first 9 weeks. We'll be handing out our progress reports here at the high school today during the 7th period class. All students will be handed their progress reports. Please go over those with your student. If you have any questions about those grades, please do not hesitate to contact the high school if you have any questions. Also, just for your own knowledge, we do have tutoring here at the high school Monday through Thursday. That is in the library. We do have teachers that are assigned there. So please, if your student is struggling or needs some extra assistance or extra guidance, please encourage them to stay after school Monday through Thursday in the library from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. If transportation issue, just a reminder that we do have shuttle run that runs here at 4:15 and goes to Irvington, Ben Johnson, and Custer. So you can pick your child up there. That way you don't have to drive all the way in here to Harned to get your child. There's also a second run that leaves at 5:15 in the afternoon, so that can help out if you do want to have a child stay after school and work on some extra stuff. Here athletically this week, we do have our volleyball team is 11-0. They have 2 big games this week as they will be traveling to 11th District rival Meade County tonight at Meade County. So that'll be a big game. So we'd like to encourage everybody to head up to Green Wave territory and support our Lady Tigers. Lady Tigers will then be in action on Thursday nights. They will be hosting 4th Region Powerhouse Bowling Green here at Tiger Arena. We'd like to encourage everybody to come out and watch that. It'll be a great night. Also tonight, our JV football team's in action here at Tiger Field. They'll be hosting Hart County. Our soccer team has 2 matches this week as they will be playing against at Fort Knox on Wednesday, and then they'll be traveling to Grayson County on Thursday. So I'd like to wish them good luck. Our Lady Tiger and Fighting Tiger golf teams will be in action on Thursday as they host Butler County, and then our Fighting Tiger boys golf team will be in action on Saturday as they will be playing in the Meade County Green Wave tournament. So good luck to them. Our Lady Tiger volleyball team will also be in action this weekend as they'll be playing Friday night and Saturday in the Taylor County Throwdown tournament. So good luck to them. Our football team will be in action this week as they will be traveling to Caverna Friday night to maybe continue the good play. They've won 2 in a row, so hopefully they can go down to Caverna and pull out another big win, push us to 3-1 on the season. That concludes this week's Tiger Minute, just keeping everybody up to speed of everything that's going on here at the high school. I'll leave you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everybody work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.